Okay, so today we're going to be assembling a tiller that we got in the mail last week. It's just about time to start turning up some soil, start making some beds and getting ready for seeds. And so the tiller has arrived, and it's just about time to tear up this backyard. What we got was the Powermate 212cc 18-inch rear tine rototiller, 2-year warranty included with this, and we received it just a couple days ago now, and here it is, how it arrives in the box. And not exactly sure how labor intensive this is going to be, but we'll make a quick video and then we'll get to work. Unit weight 154 pounds, tilling width 18 inches, tilling depths up to 8 inches, gasoline capacity 1 gallon, and engine oil capacity is half a liter, 550 milliliters, which is exactly the amount that is shipped. So you can add all of that. Everything else is together, and now I'm just gonna refresh my memory by reading the instruction manual, and then I'll show you how everything comes together and we'll start the tiller. Alright, so we're about to get this thing filled up with some gas and then start her up and get the motor broken in. So just a couple things to take into consideration when assembling the tiller. The instruction manuals were not correct with the installation. I did learn that the hard way. Maybe the operator's manual and instruction manual hasn't been updated yet, and I have a newer version or something along those lines. But anyway, pretty self-explanatory. Goes together pretty simply. The only things I would definitely suggest are getting some sort of funnel for the oil. Another thing, get a funnel for gasoline, because for some reason these new futuristic gasoline cans just don't pour or break and make a huge fucking mess. So yeah, something else to take into consideration. Right now I'm just checking the sprinkler system that's already installed at the house. I just want to make sure before I start tilling up the backyard that we don't run over any and bust any water lines or anything like that. And in addition to that, I also want to make sure that we have good coverage in the future garden plot. This way, amount of work required as far as irrigation goes will be minimized. So we're gonna start and center it right in this area in the backyard here. Another thing, when moving this tiller, if you want to just casually push it and not have to run it, the way that you put the cotter pins in on the wheels is very important, and these things just kind of pop right in and out. And so we'll get ready to get going and to show you how that works. These things are slotted. You just have to lift it up slightly and then line these up to get it to lock. That's about it. So this is how far I've gotten today. Quite a bit of work, but overall the soil looks pretty good out here, and quite a bit of earthworms that I've seen, which is definitely a good sign. Some dry spots, but not too bad. The little tiller works okay. Quite a bit of work pushing and riding behind that thing, but we'll continue to irrigate all this and throw organic matter down and regenerate everything.